Okay, so now we're going to set our user profile. So we're going to first start off by, of course, using the mode button, and we're going to cycle through the mode selections until we see set. Should be one more. There it is. Okay, so now we're going to cycle through the set selections until we see user. I'll use my plus button here, and there's user. We'll select OK on that. And then now you can see we can edit our different user profile selections. So you can see male or female, make a selection of male. Then it goes to age. You can go up or down on that and then make that selection. And then weight. Click OK on that. And then we can set our height by using either the plus or minus, and of course selecting OK on that. And then it takes us back to the user screen, and we always want to click on the mode to exit out of that and save our settings. And there it is. That's setting up your user profile. Okay, so here we go. We're going to be turning on the GPS functionality. It's very simple. We're going to use the on-off button here on the left-hand side. We're going to press that once, and it's immediately going to start looking for the satellite signal. Now it should connect within a few seconds, as long as it's not your first connection or your initial connection. It's going to show the battery life and the memory storage, what's available in the memory. And then here's the first selection screen, chrono, distance, and pace. You'll be able to adjust that later, but that's it. Okay, so we're going to be looking at your run functionality. It's the primary setting that you'll be using while you're running. So we're going to use the mode button and cycle through till we see run. There it is. It's automatically going to select GPS. It's going to show us the battery, of course, and the workouts that we have stored, workouts available. And then it's going to show chrono, distance, and pace, and that is what's on the primary screen. Now we're going to use this OK button or the view button to navigate through to the different screen options that we have. Here's chrono, distance, and speed. Shows it there. Press it again, chrono, distance, and calories. Press it again, chrono, distance, and clock. And of course, chrono, distance, and pace. And then we go back to chrono, distance, and speed. So you have 4 screen selections that you can use for your primary data points, and you can cycle through those just by using the view or OK button. Okay, we're going to walk you through a whole running or training session. You use the mode button and scroll to run. There it is. It's going to automatically select GPS as I'm connected here. It shows the battery, of course, with 90% and workouts remaining 29. Okay, great. There's the configurable data point screen. I'm actually going to change that to speed. Perfect. And then here we go. We're going to go ahead and start a workout. Use the start button. That's going to start the chrono timer. And there it goes. So now we're recording some data, obviously pretending that we are working out here. It is recording data. I'm going to use the stop button now to show you how to pause it in the middle of your run, or perhaps you're completing your run. You can use it as a pause, stop button. Now if you'd like to return to your run, you can use the start button, which will resume it just at the point where you paused it. But for this tutorial here, I'm going to show you how to save it. So you just hold down the stop button, and that's going to automatically save it as a new file. So there it's showing file 3. That's fine. So perfect. Well, now I'm saying, well, I think I want to review that data. So I'm going to use the mode button and cycle through to run data. It's going to pull up the latest file, which is the file we just saved, 03. I'm going to click view on that, and then it's going to show my first data point right there. I'm going to actually cycle through to the average pace here. You can see the time, calories there. And if I had data, it would show more data, of course, but I'm just cycling through that workout. Now I've got to the last screen. Gives you the option to view it again, to delete the individual file, or to delete all the files. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you just how to delete that individual file. Select OK, and boom, it's gone. It doesn't give you a confirmation, so make sure you want to delete it. Now, let's say I want to view this particular file. I'm going to click View, scroll through the different data points of this file, get to the last. This had 3 laps, 4 laps, 5 laps. Let's see how many we have on here. We have quite a few. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to delete all files. You just scroll down to all. I had 2 files remaining, and I'm going to hit OK, and boom, that scrubs it. It shows nothing now, and that is how you delete all your files. So now we're looking at taking a split on your Marathon GPS. We're going to cycle through on the mode button to run, the place where we start with all of our workout sessions. Automatically select GPS and battery life, and then remaining workouts, of course, it shows us. Perfect. There's our first screen, the chrono, distance, and pace. That's fine. I'm going to start the workout. And we'll let that run for just a few seconds here and pretend that our workout has started and we're well into our workout now. We'd like to take our first split on our run. We're just going to hit the start button one more time. That also acts as the split button. We'll press that. And boom, it shows us our first split time for our first lap. 15 seconds on there. And rest assured, it is still recording, and there it is. It continues to record, but it leaves that screen on for just a second so that you can see that during your run. Take our second split here, and there it is, shows lap 2. We've got 34 total seconds on that for the split and 19 seconds on the lap. And there it goes as it continues to record. Now I'm going to pause this and then save it. First pause it there to show you that we've paused our run. And then I'm going to save it by holding down the stop button. And there it goes. It defaults the save to file 1. Perfect. We're going to navigate back to our time and complete this tutorial.